You know, in construction, a project's success often boils down to one simple thing. How well do your tools actually talk to each other? So today, we're going to look at how a single, central platform can cut through all that chaos of disconnected data.
Okay, let me ask you something. Does this feel familiar? Your project data is just everywhere, scattered across a dozen different platforms. You're constantly downloading, uploading, trying to track down information that's stuck in these separate silos. It's more than just a drain on your time, it's a massive source of risk and errors.
So, the solution is to change that dynamic completely. The goal is one single central hub that pulls everything together. And this is exactly where a document management system, or DMS, comes into play. You can think of it like the digital command center for your entire project.
But how does a system like this actually create a connected project? Well, it all starts with the core platforms you and your team already rely on every day.
Let's break down what this connectivity really means. Integrating with Oracle Aconex isn't just about unifying data. It's about meeting those strict project requirements and lowering costs. For SharePoint, a bi-directional sync means the latest version is always the only version, no more confusion. And for your design teams using Revit, this completely gets rid of that tedious, error-prone process of manual uploads by syncing files directly, a huge time saver.
But a connected project isn't just about storing files. It's about streamlining the work that happens with those files. And a perfect example is that critical process of getting documents reviewed and signed.
The DocuSign integration turns what used to be a complicated process into a simple three-step workflow right inside the platform. You just select your files, tag the signers, and send. The system handles all the tracking, and once it's complete, it automatically files the signed copies and the audit certificate right back into the project folder. No steps are missed, and absolutely nothing gets lost.
Of course, any system is only as good as how easily you can get information and people into it. So this final piece is all about making access totally effortless.
This is all about working smarter, not harder. Instead of forcing a massive, painful file migration, the system just connects to the cloud storage you already use. So whether it's Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive, you can link to files directly. It just removes a huge point of friction for your entire team.
And speaking of removing friction, let's talk about getting your team on board. Single sign-on, or SSO, means no new passwords to manage. Your team just uses their existing Microsoft login for secure, one-click access. It's such a simple feature, but it makes adoption so much faster and keeps your project's data way more secure.
So when you connect your core platforms, your workflows, and your people, you get so much more than just organized files. You get a single source of truth. And this isn't just about efficiency. It's about building a reliable digital foundation for every single decision you make. The real question is, what could your team build if you never had to second-guess your data again?